Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Liz, and this is Max.
Mary.
And Lulu. We just quit our jobs and left it all behind.
To find something bigger and better, because we were
called to the road.
It is a beautiful day
here in Bradenton, Florida. Like 50 degrees overnight, but it's supposed to be 75 today. Apparently the dew point was very low, and that causes it to get cold overnight.
Did not know that. I did teach classes out here.
I was watching the news while he was working.
It's a little chilly this morning, but then when that sun comes out, it feels great. People are out mowing the yard, as you can hear.
Yeah, apparently full-time people in this very park, you mow your own lawn.
Oh, I don't know. This guy, I think, is mowing everyone's yard. He might be coming to mow our yard here.
This guy works. Oh my. We better clean our yard up.
We got a little
anyways, breakfast of champions
classic
here.
Breakfast here. Bacon, eggs.
Yep, fresh potatoes, scrambled eggs, bacon,
sourdough.
Special sourdough from Aldi, our very, very favorite. We are going to eat up and get ready for a tackle of organization in the RV.
Lizzie's on one. She's already started pulling everything
out of
the
stuff.
I was out here cooking breakfast, and when I came in, things were pulled out from cupboards everywhere. So I'm gonna just go with the flow and let her head up this project.
I've got some ideas.
She's got a vision.
I need to at least try them out and see what happens. So we're gonna eat, and then we'll take you inside.
Already found some stuff to get rid of, which I like. I've been thinking a lot more things to get rid of, like even some clothes maybe to get rid of, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
Well, I know I could get rid of some more clothes as I am going through my closet here, but the problem is all the t-shirts I brought are nice and they're new, but I just tend to grab the same thing and wear it over and over again.
Rob decided that everything on the trip he was going to bring was going to be brand new. Brand new shoes, brand new shirt, brand new hat, brand new socks, brand new underwear, brand new sheets, brand new everything.
New start, a brand new start.
But we left all our old stuff at home, stuffed in the closet.
And when we get back, we're going to say we don't need any of it.
Probably.
Bye.
Alright, here we go. This is the area I've cleaned out. 3 compartments over top of the couch. And my thought is, if clothes were up here rather than stuff, like that's a charging port station for all our drills and stuff, they would utilize the space a little better, especially this wasted space right here. And just because of their placement in general, I think that for stuff we're using every day, like clothes we're getting into every day, it would be better place to have them here rather than above the bed. Every time we need to get a long sleeve shirt or whatever, we have to get on the bed and get into that. Boop, boop. I think stuff that we don't use all the time should go there.
Yeah, myself a little enzyme while I'm digging around here.
Enzymes, yummy.
She just found a shirt that she lost 2 months ago.
I found it. It's right here.
Tip: have 2 sets of sheets. I don't care if you have dogs or don't have dogs, but the last thing you want to do is make it clean. Boom. I don't want to have it sitting around like this. Progress are you making here? What do you got going on?
Oh. Well, I've got my clothes moved over to here, which I'm still not sure if that's the best solution or not.
What was in there
We're
then?
going to try it out. We
What
had
is
a
it?
bunch of baskets stuffed in there, and it wasn't utilizing the height space or like these empty sections. We were constantly pulling things out, so I think this is going to be a little better. I also cleared out our bottom drawer, so I'm not just clearing out one thing. We had this drawer over here that we had our plastic cups, paper plates, this shoe box that I use for like a dog game. You put a treat in here and then you like tell them to go find it. So now all the dog stuff is down here, which was also stuffed up in there and was kind of annoying because I couldn't see the poop bags. I couldn't see if there was any in there in the basket I was in.
We can do a dog inventory now. Real easy.
Yep. I'm very excited about this. The reason that we had paper plates and an empty shoe box and plastic cups in here was because this drawer wasn't working very well, but if you've been watching our videos, you'll know that we pulled the drawer completely out and figured out that the reason that was happening is because there wasn't a screw in that side of the runner.
She's playing
at
the
all.
find it game. You better give her a treat.
Did you find it, Mary? Did you find your drawer? Is this your drawer, Mary?
She
Is
found
that your
it.
drawer? You're a good girl. Who's a good
Oh,
girl?
look, now you got some.
Yeah, I'm a good girl. Yes, I am. Good girl, little. Boy, Maxie. Alright, they like the dog drawer. It's doggy height.
Doggy eye high.
It's doggy height.
Mary is on the find it game right now.
She likes to find it game. She's good at it.
And I'm the best at it because I'm the oldest, huh?
Okay, get back to work.
Oh my, there's dog hair everywhere. Okay, my goal is to get that off the floor and up here, along with things like the iron and our card games and our essential oil diffuser and essential oils, and then a couple miscellaneous things like these are little ozonators, an extra light bulb, and an extra command stick strip. So that stuff I don't really need to access. Alright, so the baskets do not fit in my space above the bed. So, not sure what I'm gonna do now.